Hey everyone, welcome back. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be discussing everything Algorand. Algorand is one of the very few coins today that is up about 0.8%. If we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, Algorand is up about 3.4%, but there's more to it. There's more to Algorand right now than a lot of people really realize, so we're going to get into that. If we're looking at the price of Algo today, as of November 20th, you guys can see the price is currently sitting at 13.9 cents. And it's quite strange to see because majority of the market right now is pulling down, a little bit of a retracement, but we're seeing Algorand actually holding against the entire market, especially BTC. You guys can see it's up 0.8% in USD comparative. We're also up 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. If we're focusing on its market cap, it's $1.1 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 83 million. So, definitely seeing a rise in momentum. And again, this is something we've been analyzing on my channel for quite some time. And like I've said, Algorand is one of the sleeping giants in my personal opinion, and I think a lot of people are starting to understand that. So let's waste no more time and talk about what is next and what are some next price targets we could be aiming for the price of Algo. Now, before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the daily time frame, you guys can see literally yesterday, or more like last night, we saw a huge high, monthly high for the price of Algo. So previous monthly high was at 14.7 cents, but last night we made it up to officially 15 cents, which is a great news. Of course, seeing a minor retracement. As you guys know, the entire market is seeing a little bit of a retracement, and of course Algorand is going to react with that, not basically because of BTC. The reason as to why we're seeing this retracement is because of the fact that dominance index is picking up, which means people are putting money back into BTC, and that is the reason as to why we're seeing a little bit of a minor retracement. But Algorand is continuing to surprise a lot of people, but it's not surprising me. This is something I've been expecting, and as mentioned to you guys before, I am expecting that Algorand is going to push to levels like 15.9 cents, so almost 16 cents resistance. And if that is able to clear up, you guys know the main target that we're aiming for Algo at 21.8 cents. And it's honestly starting to look more likely than ever. That's a move of only about 57.9%, guys. That would put the market cap around $1.8 billion. But in my honest opinion, I think that is the fair value for Algorand in this market. In this market, in this time, the times we're in right now, Algo's price should be around this level. And a lot of people in the crypto community are starting to realize this. If you really do more research on Algorand and see what the project is really doing, the developments they've been really making over the course of 2 weeks, could really understand what's coming next year. And considering all those factors and considering the people it's partnered with, at the current price levels, in my honest opinion, I think it is undervalued. Because even if we're looking at the last bear market, we've only traded within this range. Never saw the price crack past below this, except of course during the pandemic crash. Other than that, we ranged between the consolidation side of things, and we did have this massive breakout into the 78.6, taking the price to 77.5 cents. And we could see similar moves happening for Algorand. And like I said, it comes down to risk-reward ratio. Everything in the crypto markets has, risk attached to it. And it comes down to how much risk are you willing to take. Every project has risk. Of course, we had some negative news coming out of Algorand earlier this year that has taken some eyes off of it. People are looking elsewhere, which is totally okay. But every project goes through this FUD time of things, uncertainty times. But it's really important to see what they're doing. Are they going stagnant? Are they going ghost mode? Are they actually continuing to develop and actually have a real use case, quote unquote? And as far as Algorand is concerned, I'm sure the community really knows what's happening. So I'm projecting that, the way it's holding right now, definitely shift of momentum. Next target, 16.26 cents. If this is able to clear up, we could be heading back to 21.7 cents. But that is it for today's update. Of course, we'll keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. Let me know down below what you guys think. But it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.